Hello and welcome, everyone. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Optimus GB100M GPS tracker for vehicles. If you're in need of a reliable and affordable GPS tracking solution for your car or truck, then this is the perfect product for you. With easy installation on your car's battery and low-cost subscription plan options, the Optimus GB100M is a top choice for anyone looking to keep track of their vehicle's movements. The flexible subscription plan allows you to enjoy the benefits of an affordable monthly subscription at just United States $12.95, with the freedom to cancel at any time. And with transparent pricing, there are no hidden fees, making this a cost-effective solution for all your GPS tracking needs. The real-time tracking precision of the Optimus GB100M ensures that you receive updates every 30 seconds, offering up to the minute accuracy. You'll also benefit from email and text message alerts for movement, speeding, leaving or entering areas, and more. And with nationwide coverage across the entire USA, you can rely on seamless and robust tracking wherever your vehicles operate. The Optimus GB100M also includes features such as harsh driving detection, real-time alerts, and comprehensive reporting, allowing for in-depth analysis of historical data. So if you're ready to take control of your vehicle's movements and ensure its safety and security, be sure to check out the Optimus GB100M GPS tracker for vehicles. You can find the product link in the description below. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to take the first step towards peace of mind and security for your vehicle. Subscribe now and enjoy all the benefits that the Optimus GB100M has to offer. Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button for more great content.